Now let me introduce you to the style. Spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Spy, and today I'm coming at you with another DIY. It's been forever. I haven't did a DIY and I don't know when, maybe in 2018. Oh my god, I gotta do better, guys. 2020, I'm coming at you with better DIYs and I'm on it, I promise. But anyhow, it's been so long that I figured I had to come out with a bang, and of course I'm 2 seasons behind, but this Shaggy cardigan was so cute that I figured I still wanted it because it's still in style and I love it so much. It was only 40 bucks and you can make it too. Let's get started. So here's what you'll need. You'll need yarn, any color that you want, scissors, crochet needle, and cardboard paper or mailer. So you'll take your yarn, you'll wrap it around your cardboard paper or mailer or any hard surface that you have to make sure that the lengths are accurate. Once you wrap it around there, you'll cut it in the middle and then you'll begin crocheting. You'll stick the needle through the sweater. You will loop it and then pull it through. It's pretty easy. For some reason, I always choose the most tedious projects. I mean, I know you guys remember the YSL boots, and I'm getting ready to go on a tangent, but this sweater took me a week to complete, and it was so tedious. I had yarn everywhere, and I was just like, why do I keep doing this to myself? But the final product is so amazing that it doesn't even matter. But the process is so easy. As you can see, you're just taking the crochet needle, you're putting it in your sweater, you're creating a loop. Once you create the loop, you put it on the needle and you pull through and you tie a knot. And here's the final product.